February 19th, 2025. Yesterday, it snowed all day. It was really windy. So the snow got on my shoe rack and my back porch. I'm gonna go and let the dogs out. And take out the trash. It's trash day. See? Oh my God, snow blowing on the back of my patio. This is the sidewalk. Ooh, look at, this is like a hill because the snow blew up here. Right into, it's very deep here because the snow blew here. Oh, it's deep around my car too. But I'm gonna go and let the dogs out and then put them back in. It's 4 degrees. Woo. It feels like, look at that. Feels like they got lucky because they parked over here and the snow kind of blew around it. Look at this. But my car, like that. Oh my God. It's heavy in some areas. But I gotta go let the dogs out, please. It's windy. It's 4 degrees, but feels like minus 12 today, right now. It's like 8 in the morning. So here I go. Let the dogs in the shop.